first I was afraid to eat a pizza pie. Keep thinking this is not so good, this is a pizza pie. And though I spent so many nights just eating my tortang talong, and I grow strong because of my tortang talong. Biglang may box from outer space. Nakita ko sabay, kinuha ko yung box from outer space. Binuksan ko at nasindak, may pizza pie, sobrang laki. Tinikman ko within 5 seconds, naubos ko parang mani. Ngayon ako ay ganito. Kung di ka Pizza Hut o Shakey's, you're not welcome mo. Ngayon sa aking pizza pie, ayoko nang mahiwalay. O pizza pie, handa kong magpakamatay, cause now I love my pizza pie. Yeah, as long as I eat pizza pie, I know I'd be alive. I want all my garlic beef, pepperoni, double cheese, and pizza pie. Ang pizza pie, penge. I took all the cash I had, naubos ng lahat. Gusto ko pa ng pizza pie, ngunit ang pera'y di sapat. And though I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself, I made me cry. Ala na ba kung pizza pie, ngayon ako ay nagipid. Hindi na ako stupid person na hindi nag-iisip. Medyo mahal ang pizza pie, you can't expect it to be free. That's why I'm saving all my money, baka mayroong pambili. Ngayon ako ay ganito. Kung di ka lang Pizza Hut o Shakey's, you're not welcome anymore. Ngayon sa aking pizza pie, ayoko nang mahiwalay. Para sa'yo, handa kong magpakamatay, cause now I love my pizza pie. Yeah, as long as I eat pizza pie, I know I'd be alive. I want all my garlic beef, pepperoni, double cheese, oh pizza pie, oh pizza pie.